I have a business that I want to start, and I believe I found an awesome name and brand problem. Problem is I found a trademark for the exact name, right, that dates back to 2013. Here's the catch. I've researched this company to a pretty large extent and cannot find their public use of the name anywhere. They're operating under a different name now. There's a massive coincidence. Their grace period for filing registration and maintenance documents for Section 8 and Section 9 literally just expired.
Yeah, that's enough for me. I know where they're going.
Where are they going? What's up?
Yeah, so basically, clients got a name that they want to use. There's a third-party trademark registration that it looks like they've done some research and they're not using it anymore, and it's expiring or it expired, because they didn't file a Section 8, Section 9 renewal.
Okay.
Yeah, seems like it's available to me.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, I would do some more due diligence, maybe talk to a trademark attorney who can, really dig in and see what's going on. It sounds like you, like some of my other clients over the years, like have stumbled into a really great situation where you had this idea and the stars aligned, and this third-party registration that would have blocked you is no longer going to block you, and you're going to get the trademark through. So that seems like what this feels like.
It's fantastic.
Yeah, that's good news.
It is good news. So yeah, you can pick up where someone else left off.
Yeah, and obviously you can't, use their marketing materials as your proof of use or anything like that.
Sure. Yeah.
You can certainly. I was just talking to one of our new clients this morning, hopefully a new client this morning, and she's in a similar situation. Like, just quick background, like, was a founder of a company, left that company on good terms. That company ended up selling to a third-party company who went bankrupt, and that company has still been filing like renewals and extensions and things like that with the USPTO, and she wants to use the trademark again.
Okay. And
doesn't look like they're using it, and they're filing these renewals with a company that no longer exists. So the attorney's filing that. He should be looking at make sure that LLC is still in business. But anyways, client advised. Let's do it.
Fantastic.